Many jeans is many years and solid, and I don't want to wear it. So now, this couple days, I paint it. This jacket, I paint the indigo color, and the seat back, and then jeans too. This jeans is cheap, but many years ago, but it wears is so comfortable. So I paint it, and then even the shorts. Shorts, I do the bleach first, then I paint it. But the back side, it's like this. This kind of jeans, or this jeans is my, I think this is my first jeans. I was bought in China. This is so many years. So paint is one color, indigo. And this is the t-shirt I bought from H&M. It's like $5 something. So I paint, this is my logo. So it's white color? No, it's like baby blue. So this one I bought the t-shirt from I think Zara. So now I put the logo at the back, and so that's, and this jacket many years ago. So but you know, the black color I cannot do bleach. So and the color, the jacket color was yellow, become yellow. So I put the denim fabric, stitching something here, and also stitching the back too at this one. So now become more patchwork. So a lot of white shirts. I think that's more than 10 years. You could see even the button become yellow. The plastic become yellow. So the most important is the color is become yellow. So I cannot wear it. So yesterday, I think the day before yesterday, I did the bleach. So after bleach, look like it's much better. So now I could wear again. This kind. So this is this couple days work. I still have something in New York, and but I did not forget to bring to here. So, and next time I do the white jeans and another kind of jacket or whatever. So this is looks good. This white jacket before painted, and this is after painted front, and the back was dark blue before wash. And this is the t-shirt. I only paint the logo at the front. The black side is still solid. And the black t-shirt only paint the back side, and the front keep as solid. And the shorts, and do the bleach first, then paint is blue. And the blue jeans, and only paint indigo. And the long jeans, and the white, indigo, and the pewter colors.